Hey you guys, so today I'm going to go ahead and do a get ready with me makeup tutorial. Just something light and everything. Me and my sister are gonna go have some drinks and stuff like that later. So just wanted to get cute. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if you wanna see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna start off is with my brows. And this is my Apple of My Eye Cosmetics brow pencil. So I'm just gonna fill these out here. What are you guys doing this weekend? Are you guys doing anything fun? It's been kind of cold, I know, everywhere. So I think a lot of people are just taking it easy, especially with everything that's going on. But yeah, we're just gonna do some happy hour, do some cute girl stuff. We love that. I love that for me. So just fill these in. So I'm just doing here with my eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna take my spoolie to comb out the front of the brows. I am now almost 34 weeks pregnant, so time is flying. Baby will be here soon, so trying to get some activities out before the baby comes. So that's what I'm doing. Clean up with my concealer, the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12. Just clean up these brows one time. So that's what I'm doing here. Take any flat shader brush and just clean it on up, make it crisp. Makes a huge difference by cleaning up your brows. So I've been doing a lot of vlogging, you guys, so you guys are gonna have way more videos and I'm excited. Just some fun stuff, you know. Try to keep it diverse on my channel. So that's what I've been doing recently. I'm really proud of myself too, because at first it was kind of weird vlogging out in public with people, you know, but now I really don't care. It's just about getting the footage at this point, you know? So because people be looking at you and stuff, but I've been doing here recently is vlogging way more. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the eyeshadow. Do you guys do your eyeshadow first or do you wait and do your foundation first? I like to do my eyeshadow first so I don't have any fallout and just less mess to clean up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I use my Cakes and Apples palette from my brand, Apple in My Eye. So this is what it looks like. You can shop now, you guys. I have some bundles with different ones, so check me out. I have the link in the description box with a coupon code for just my viewers, so check it out for sure. Okay, you guys, so I had got a phone call and I had to do a voiceover, so I apologize for me not continuing to talk through the video, but right now I'm just blending this eyeshadow in right here, and I'm going to go ahead and do another second transition shade right there. Yeah, I really do love this eyeshadow palette. It's really diverse and easy to blend out, and it just gives you a seamless finish. So I'm just going to keep blending. It's a light makeup look. It's not too much eyeshadow. As you can see, I was talking to my cousin. She was just had the funnies this morning. And this palette was actually inspired by my birthday. I made it for my birthday one year and I love it. I always reach for it. So that's why it's the birthday palette pretty much. So I'm just taking June and I am putting that in on my eyelid shade right there, doing a soft cut crease, nothing too crazy, but that's what I'm doing here. Banana and Ket Cosmetics Translucent to set my under eye. And then I'm taking the Ruby Kisses powder to set my foundation with the same e.l.f. powder brush there. So not changing brushes or anything. And this is actually the Black Radiance contour palette. So I'm using that to contour my cheeks a little bit with that Morphe brush that you see. It's very soft. I got it in a gift set, so it doesn't have like a specific number. But yeah, I'm just using that to carve out my cheeks a bit, give my face some dimension, not look so flat. And I'm going to go ahead and use this Black Radiance blush and Toasted Almond. I like it. It's just a good flush of color, nothing too crazy. Adding that on with the same Morphe brush. And I like blush. Some people do not, but I do. But I'm taking my Apple of My Eye Cosmetics highlighter. As you can see, it packs a lot of power and punch. Check it out. I have a coupon code in the description box for my website to go ahead and order yours. I like the Mario Badescu setting spray in the colder months because it gives me hydration. I didn't think you guys needed to see the lashes being applied. Yes, I just wanted to show you the lash glue that I was using. It really lasts a long time, and it's $3.99 at the beauty supply store. So this is the Essence Brown Lip Liner Pencil that I'm going to use to line my lips. I do this anytime I'm wearing any type of liquid lipstick or anything just to give my lips definition. This is Mauve Star from my line also. It's just a pinky nude. I love it. It's a liquid lipstick, long lasting, lasts for such a long time. Then taking the Pearl lip gloss on top to give it some shimmer. We love a little shimmer. And that's completing the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and I'll check back in with you guys soon. Also, the coupon code for Apple of My Eye will be in the description box. So I'll see you guys later.